Hi students, good morning. Last class we started differentiation of logarithmic function. So today also we have to continue that one. After that I will start the next session. Okay, no? Right. So in last class I given one problem. What is that? Y equal to 1 by 2 root of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 5, right? Now how to do the differentiation? Here they are asking find dy by dx. For that one first we have to simplify this one. So directly we can't do the differentiation. If you do, it's take a lengthy process. And now for this one what we have to write, this 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 given or not? Last class I think here 1 by 2 not there. If you 1 by 2 is there also you can do the problem. But if 1 by 2 not there, what we have to do? It can be written as whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. Now that is equal to taking this total term, root is there, no, whole to the power of 1 by 2 we have to write. If any constant is there means that scalar multiple here also we have to take, right? Now taking log on both the sides, that implies log y equal to, so same thing we have to take. If you apply the log on both the sides, what you will get? Log of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole to the power of 1 by 2. What we did? Y equal to root is there. This root what we have to take? Whole to the power of 1 by 2 we can take. Now taking log on both the sides. Okay, now? Now if you take log on both the sides, so what we have to do? Log y equal to log of whole to the power of 1 by 2, right? Now from the properties of logarithm, how to write it as log y equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 4 into x minus 5, right? So here which formula we applied? Log of a power m to the base b equal to m into log a to the base b, right? This formula you applied. Now after that what we have to do? Log y equal to 1 by 2. Again we have the formula log a by b. How to write it? It is in the form of log of a by b. Log a minus log b. So by that formula, how to write it as log of a, numerator x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 minus log of b, denominator x minus 4 into x minus 5, right? Now that implies log y equal to 1 by 2. Again here what is there once you observe? Log a into b into c. Log of a into b into c, how to write? Log a plus log b plus log c. By that formula log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 plus log of x minus 3. And after that minus, here what is there? Again log a into b. What we have to do? Log a plus log b. But before to this term, what is there? Minus. That minus multiply to both the terms. So that's why log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Now this is our simplification. Next what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, right? Now differentiation of log y, 1 by y dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into differentiation of log x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1, differentiation of log x minus 2, 1 by x minus 2. Again we have to do the differentiation of x minus 2, but that is 1 plus 1 by x minus 3 minus differentiation of this one minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Now finally we want dy by dx equal to y by 2 into this same thing we have to write. Finally here this y means root of given equation, means given function, root of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 by x minus 4 into x minus 5. So what you taken? First you simplified the given function according to the what? So given root is there whole to the power of 1 by 2. After that you applied the log on both the sides. Log a to the power of m formula is there. M into log a to the base b applied. After that log a by b formula is there. Log a minus log b. Next term log a into b into term is there. Log a plus log b plus log c. Here also same thing. Then lastly we apply what? Differentiating. Then we got the proper answer. Okay, right? Now next I will take one more problem in this one. Product of many terms they given means what we have to do. First of all, here f of x equal to, suppose they given x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, etc., x plus n. Then they asking the value of f dash of 0. F dash of 0. F of x they given, f of x is product of what? N terms are there. Then they asking do the differentiation, then substitute x equal to what? 0. So first we have to do the differentiation, then x equal to 0 if you substitute, what is the answer they asking. For that one what we have to do? So product of n terms, previously in formula based problems also we applied. First we have to do the differentiation this one and remaining as it is. We have to do the differentiation for the second one, remaining like that n terms we have to do. Otherwise by the logarithmic differentiation how to do? First what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Now if you take log on both the sides, log of f of x equal to log of x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, etc., x plus n. And now that implies log of f of x equal to, here what is the formula? Logarithm formula, log a into log b into log c, etc. Now by that formula what we have to do? Log a into log b into log c equal to what? Log a plus log b plus log c, etc. And now log of x minus 1, sorry, x plus 1, log of x plus 2 plus log of x plus 3 plus etc. plus log of x plus n. Applied log on both the sides and log a into log b formula applied. And now what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Do the differentiation. Differentiation of log f of x. What we have to write? 1 by f of x. Differentiation of log f of x is 1 by f of x. Again differentiation of f of x, f dash of x. F dash of x equal to, here log of x plus 1. Differentiation of log x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1. Again differentiation of x plus 1, 1. Now, so that implies 1 by f of x into f dash of x equal to log of x plus 1. Differentiation is what? 1 by x plus 1. Log of x plus 2, 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 3 plus etc. plus 1 by x plus n. Next, what the value we have to find? F dash of 0. Substitute x equal to 0. So that implies, before to that you can do like this also. F dash of x equal to, this f of x multiplied this side, f of x into 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 3 plus etc. plus 1 by x plus n. Now put x equal to 0. F dash of what? 0 equal to f of 0 into 1 here plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus etc. plus 1 by n. Now what about the f of 0? Anybody? F of 0 value. Here f of x equal to what they given? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Since f of 0 equal to what you will get? F of 0 equal to, if you substitute in this given function 1 into 2 into 3 etc. n, product of n natural number, first n natural numbers can be written as n factorial or not. Now that is equal to, you can replace this as n factorial, this as 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus etc. plus 1 by n. Now for this problem, so what they given? F of x equal to product of n terms they given. They asking f dash of 0. For that what you taken? First taking log on both the sides. Log of f of x equal to log of this product of n terms. Log of x1, x2 etc. xn equal to log of x1 plus log of x2, like that you applied. After that differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, f dash x by f of x you got. You taken cross multiplication f dash of x. Now what the value you want here? F dash of 0. Substituting x equal to 0. So f of 0 means n factorial and remaining this one you got. Okay, right? Try one more problem here. F of x equal to pi n equal to 1 to 100 x minus n to the power of n into 101 minus n. Then find the value of f dash of 101 by f of 101. Now this is the given function, means previous one directly they given, but this one pi nothing but product of terms, sigma nothing but sum of the terms, right? Now so here pi is there, n equal to 1 to n, so x minus 1, n equal to 1, expand, then you will get the what? F of x. Then previously what you did, as it is we have to do. For that what we have to do? Expand this one, f of x equal to, once again here pi means product of the terms. Now n equal to 1 you substitute, what you will get? X minus 1 to the power of 1 into 101 means 1 minus 1 means 100, right? Into x equal to 2, x minus 2 to the power of 2 into 99. Next x minus 3 to the power of 3 into 98 etc. Last term is what? N equal to 100 means x to the power of 100 into 101 minus 100 is what? 1. Here x minus 100 is there to the power of 100, right? Now once again see, n equal to 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 up to 100 x minus n, and power 1 into 100, 2 into 99, 3 into 98 etc. 100 into 1. Now what we have to do? Product of many terms are there. To easily differentiate, first what we have to take? Log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Log of f of x equal to, so log of this total terms, x minus 1 whole to the power of 100 into x minus 2 whole to the power of 2 into 99, x minus 3 whole to the power of 3 into 98, etc. x minus 100 whole to the power of 100. Now again log a into b into c, etc. means log of x1, x2, etc. xn form. So what we have to do? Log of, that implies log of f of x equal to log of x minus 1 whole to the power of 100 plus log of x minus 2 whole to the power of 2 into 99 as it is, plus log of x minus 3 whole to the power of 3 into 98, etc. plus log of x minus 100 whole to the power of 100. Now that implies take, now again you can simplify this one, f of log of f of x equal to log a to the power of m form is there. How to write it? As 100 into log of x minus 1 plus 2 into 99 log of x minus 2 plus 3 into 98 log of x minus 3 plus etc. plus 100 into log of x minus 100. Now here differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. So that implies differentiation of log of f of x. One by f of x, again differentiation of f of x is f dash of x, that is equal to differentiation of this one 100 by x minus 1 plus 100 into differentiation of log x minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1, 2 into 99, 2 into 99 whole divided by x minus 2 plus 3 into 98 whole divided by x minus 3 plus etc. plus last one is what? 100 by x minus differentiation of log x minus 100 is x minus 100. Again differentiation of x minus 100 is 1. So that's why no need to take. Now this is our differentiation. But what the value they asked here? F dash of 101 by f of 101 asking. Means we have to replace x by 101. Now that implies 100 by 101 minus 1 means here it is what? 100 plus 2 into 99 by 99 plus 3 into 98 by 98 plus etc. plus 100 by 101 minus 100 is what? 1 only. Now that implies here 1, here 99 get cancelled, 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 100. What you observed? Sum of the first 100 natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2, no? Sum of the n natural number is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the n natural numbers. So that is here 100 into 101 divided by 2. Now if you cancel this one, what is the answer you will get? 5050. That is our answer, right? Now previously directly they given, but this is in the terms of what? Pi they given. We expanded that one. Pi nothing but product. Then previous problems what you did according to that. After that what the value they asking, that one you substitute. Next, take one more problem. F of x equal to, fourth problem, sin theta, sin 2 alpha plus theta into sin of 4 alpha plus theta, etc. Sin of 2 into n minus 1 alpha plus theta equal to sin n theta divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1. Then find dy by dx. This is also product of the n terms, but what they given? Sine function they given. Once you observe here, n equal to 1 if you take sin theta first term, n equal to 2 alpha plus theta, n equal to 3 4 alpha plus theta. Satisfied now? Now what we have to do? Simple thing. Previously what we did, product of many times they given. First to do the simply differentiation, taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. That implies log of f of x equal to log of a into b into c, etc. Shall I write directly? Log of x1, x2, etc. xn. How to write? Log x1 plus log x2 plus etc. log xn. So log of sin theta plus log of 2 alpha plus theta plus log of 4 alpha plus theta plus etc. plus equal to n term, like that up to n terms. So here log of sin n theta divided by 2 to the power of m, right side. That implies this one as it is. So here f of x I taken now. So equal to here also they given now. So this one I no need to take, because here also f of x equal to this value given now. So if you take again extra you will get. This is implies you write. Okay, right? Now because already right side RHS they given. If that is not given means f of x we have to take. Right. Now this equation equal to sin n theta by 2 to the power of n minus 1 taken. Now log of sin theta plus log of 2 alpha plus theta plus log of 4 alpha plus theta equal to log a by b formula. Log of sin n theta minus here 2 to the power of n minus 1 log of 2 to the power of n minus 1. Right. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides means here theta is there, no? So differentiating with respect to theta on both the sides. That implies differentiation of log sin theta 1 by sin theta. Differentiation of sin theta is what? Cos theta. Now that is equal to, that is plus. Next what you did? Differentiation of this one. 1 by, so here sin I didn't write, log of sin. So what we had to write? 1 by sin cos of 2 alpha plus theta. Again differentiation of sin 2 alpha plus theta. What? So 1 by sin 2 alpha plus theta. Again differentiation of sin 2 alpha plus theta. Cos 2 alpha plus theta. Plus here also sin we have to write sin of 4 alpha plus theta. Differentiation of sin 4 alpha plus theta. 1 by sin 4 alpha plus theta. Again differentiation of sin cos 4 alpha plus theta plus etc. equal to right side. What is that? So differentiation of sin n theta 1 by sin n theta. Again differentiation of sin n theta cos n theta. Again differentiation of n theta n. Now n into cos n theta. Differentiation of constant 0. That implies here cot theta plus cot of 2 alpha plus theta plus cot of 4 alpha plus theta plus etc. plus equal to what? Etc. equal to n cot n theta. Okay, now. So actually this is one of the objective problem. This is equal to what they will ask. Means this is equal to, what is our answer? N cot n theta. So if they want to ask in objective, what they will give? If sin theta, sin 2 alpha plus theta, sin 4 alpha plus theta, etc. equal to sin n theta by 2 to the power of n theta, then cot theta plus cot 2 alpha plus theta, cot 4 alpha plus theta plus etc. equal to what? Okay. So this is one of the option they will give. For that what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. Differentiating with respect to here our variable is the theta on both the sides. Then what you got here? Cot theta plus cot of 2 alpha plus theta, cot of 4 alpha plus theta plus etc. equal to what is the answer you are getting? N into cot n theta, right? Next, fifth problem. This is one of the important problem. X to the power of y equal to e power x minus y. If then dy by dx. So in the theory part, they will ask if x equal to, then find dy by dx. But if they want to give in the entrance, differently also they will ask, right? Now first of all, what we have to do? X power y is there, here e power x minus y is there. So for that what we have to do? Tell me. First taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Y log x equal to log of. So if you want one more step, you can take like this also. Log of x to the power of y, so log of e power x minus y, like this also you can take. Okay, now so many times you are using, so sometimes I will write a directly formula also, don't confuse. Now log of a power m formula, that implies y into log x equal to what? X minus y into log e, right? Log e value is 1, log e means your base is now y log x equal to x minus y. Directly you can do the what? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. What you taken? X power y equal to e power x minus y. Taking log on both the sides. Log of x power y equal to log of x minus y. Log of a power m formula. Y into log x. Here x minus y into log e. So here y log x, here x minus y. Directly also you can do the differentiation. Otherwise, generally if you do this one, so exactly easily you can approach to what? Answer. So that is y bring this side. So y plus y into log x equal to x. Directly if you do the differentiation to approach the answer, some simplifications needed. But here no need, directly you will get. Now from this one, what is common? Y. Y if you take common, 1 plus log x equal to what? X. Now that implies y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Now easily dy by dx you will get. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. dy by dx equal to quotient rule we have to apply, u by v formula. What is that? 1 plus log x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of 1 plus log x is 1 by x whole divided by denominator 1 plus log x whole square. That implies dy by dx equal to, here minus x plus x, sorry, here x get cancelled, 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What is remaining in numerator? Log x remaining. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. This is our final answer. Right. This problem, by using this information, you solve this one. If 2x whole power 2y equal to 4 into e power 2x minus 2y, then 1 plus log 2x to the base e whole square into dy by dx equal to what? This problem is JEE 2019, exactly this problem they given. Means same information. Here x power y is there, here what is there? 2x whole power 2y. Little bit they changed here, one scalar multiple they given. What we have to do? But previously dy by dx directly asking, but here this multiplication they given. So what we have to do? Same thing. What we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. First we have to take the log on both the sides, then we have to simplify the function, then we have to do the differentiation to get easily dy by dx. Now log of 2x whole power 2y equal to log of 4 into e power 2x minus 2y. Same like previous problem only. So how to write it as 2y log of 2x equal to, here product of two terms are there, no, log a into b, log 4 plus log of e power 2x minus 2y. That implies 2y log of 2x as it is you write down, log 4 also as it is, again it can be written as like previous, x 2x minus 2y into log e. Log e value 1. So shall I write directly here 2x minus 2y. Since here what? Log of e power 2x minus 2y equal to what? 2x minus 2y into log e. Log e value is 1. Right. Now in previous problem, to get easily answer, what you taken this y value? Taken this side. Here also this minus 2y, if you bring this side, plus 2y into log 2x equal to, can you write this log 4, how to write? Log 4 equal to log of 2 square, that is equal to 2 log 2. So 2 log 2 plus 2x, right? Now is there any cancellation here? In all these 2 common and cancel. In these 2 what is common? Y common. 1 plus log of 2x equal to log 2 plus log x. Now our major work completed. Y equal to log 2 plus x whole divided by 1 plus log of 2x. Now quotient rule. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. by dx equal to v 1 plus log of 2x into differentiation of this one log 2 0 differentiation of x 1 minus log 2 plus x into differentiation of 1 plus log 2x differentiation of 1 0 differentiation of log 2x 1 by 2x again differentiation of 2x 2 means 2 by 2x, right? Now whole divided by denominator 1 plus log 2x whole square. Now cross multiplication 1 plus log 2x whole square into dy by dx because this value only they are asking. So that implies that is equal to, so here simplification 1 plus log 2x minus log 2 plus x divided by x, here 2 get cancelled. Taking LCM, if you take the LCM right side, so 1 plus log 2x whole square into dy by dx equal to x into 1 plus log 2x minus log 2 minus x whole divided by x, right? Taking LCM x into this one. Now multiply these x plus x log 2x minus log 2 minus x whole divided by x. What is remaining? Minus x plus x get cancelled. Final answer is what? X log 2x minus log 2 divided by x. This is our final answer, right? Now previous problem only, similar concept. Taking log on both the sides and simplification differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. But extra is what? Denominator multiplied here. So here LCM x plus x log 2x minus log 2 minus x. So here this minus x plus x get cancelled previously. Similarly, this is our answer, right? Next, this in theory this is the most important problem. If x to the power of y equal to y to the power of x, then find dy by dx. X to the power of y equal to y to the power of x. Here also we have to find the dy by dx. For that what we have to do? For easily differentiation, taking log on both the sides. So log of x to the power of y equal to log of y to the power of x. That implies y log x equal to x log y. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Here product rule, here also product rule we have to apply, right? Now y into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of y is dy by dx equal to x into differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Should not forget taking dy by dx whenever doing the differentiation with respect to x for y variable. So x into differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y differentiation of x is 1. Now after that this dy by dx term I am taking to left side and remaining that side log x minus x by y dy by dx. Can you write like this? Once you see log x dy by dx, I am taking this side x by y dy by dx common and remaining term bring that side. So there log y is there minus y by x is there, means nothing but dy by dx this side and remaining that side. Now here taking LCM, here also taking LCM. y log x minus x, y log x minus x divided by y into dy by dx equal to, here also taking LCM, x log y minus y by x. Now this total term bringing to right side. So that implies dy by dx equal to y into x log y minus y divided by x into y log x minus x. See this one, taking log on both the sides and differentiating. You are taking LCM, y multiply here, y into this one and this one multiply here. This is our dy by dx. By using this information, you can find this type problem also. Suppose in base trigonometric functions they given like this, cos x whole power y equal to sin y whole power x, find dy by dx. Same concept, similar concept. What? Here x is there, here cos x is there, here y is there, here what? Sin y is there. Same as it is, what we have to do? Taking log on both the sides. If you take log on both the sides, y log of cos x equal to x log of sin y. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides means this as u and this as v, and here also this as u, this as v. After that dy by dx. Okay, no? Try this problem. Next, this is also one of the important problem. Actually, most important problem is this one. X power m y to the power of m equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus n. Then find dy by dx. Try this problem. X power m into y power n equal to x plus y whole power m plus n equal to dy by dx. Do carefully this problem. How to take the steps for this one? First of all, we have to take log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. So, log of x power m into y power n equal to log of x plus y whole power m plus n. Here log a into b formula. Log of x power m plus log of y power n equal to m plus n into log of x plus y we have to write. Again here m into log x plus n into log y equal to m plus n log of x plus y. This is our simplification. So what you are doing? So directly you are not doing the differentiation. Product rule we are not applying. First taking log on both the sides. After that by the logarithmic properties we simplified this one. Now one linear function you got. For this one what we are doing? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides to get easily differentiation dy by dx. Right. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, that implies m constant, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, n constant, differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Right side carefully you do. M plus n is constant, as it is I am writing. Differentiation of log x plus y is what? 1 by x plus y. But again we have to do the differentiation for what? x plus y. Differentiation of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx. Now from this one dy by dx we have to take. And now n by y dy by dx, okay, one more step extra I will write, m by x plus n by y dy by dx equal to, here multiply these two, m plus n by x plus y plus m plus n by x plus y dy by dx. Now this term bringing this side and this one take that side. Now n by y minus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx equal to m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. LCM. What is the LCM here? Y into x plus y is LCM. And here nx plus ny minus my here minus of minus, sorry, minus here plus ny. Nx ny minus is there, minus my minus ny into dy by dx equal to, here also same thing LCM, x into x plus y, here mx plus nx minus mx minus my. Is there any cancellation? Here both the sides x plus y get cancelled. And here, so what is get cancelled? ny get cancelled. And here mx get cancelled. Remaining terms in numerator, observe. Remaining terms in numerator nx minus my. So okay, if you want one more step also you can take nx minus my divided by y into dy by dx equal to, here nx minus my. If you have the clarity, directly you can cancel, because here also same thing, divided by x is there. Again you can remove this one or not. Now from this one, what about the dy by dx? This cross multiplication y by x. This is our answer, right? Now this is logarithmic differentiation, means many types of differentiations, means in that logarithm only different types they given. This is one type and previous one, product of many terms, powers. But for all the problems what we did in this session, we taken log on both the sides and applied logarithmic properties. After that differentiating with respect to x on both the sides to get what? Dy by dx, right? And now 2 minutes I will introduce the parametric differentiation also. Tomorrow I will continue. But what is the parametric differentiation? That is session 5. Parametric differentiation means in this one how they will give the function in terms of one another parameter they will give. For example, if you take x equal to, just one or two examples I will give, x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280, then find dy by dx, like this they given. So our parameter is what here? T. X equal to 80 square they given, y equal to 280, then what they asked? Dy by dx asking. For that what we have to do? This one and this one both differentiating with respect to that parameter. What is that? T on both the sides. Differentiating with respect to T on both the sides. Now differentiation with respect to T for x is dx by dt equal to differentiation of at square. 2at or not, because a is constant, differentiation of t square is 2t. Doing the differentiation with respect to t only, right? Now here also differentiating with respect to t means here what you will get, dy by dt you will get. Now here 2a is constant, differentiation of t with respect to t 1 means only 2a you will get. Now observe how to get dy by dx. So dy by dx you want this one by this one, if you write means dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt, dy by dx only or not. Now that implies 2a divided by 2at get cancelled. Now what is our answer? 1 by, what you did, one parameter, in terms of one parameter they given, dy by dx asking, differentiating with respect to t, differentiation with respect to 2, this one by this one. For example, if you take this type in terms of theta they given like this. Suppose they given like this, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta they given. So what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to theta on both the sides. Here our parameter is theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta on both the sides means here dx by d theta equal to a into differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta, and dy by d theta is b cos theta, right? Now we have to find dy by dx equal to dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta, that is equal to b cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. What is the answer? Minus b by a cot theta minus b by a cot theta. Like this many problems they will give, means nothing but differentiation with respect to what the parameter they given with respect to that one, then dy by dx we have to identify. Here x equal to dx by d theta differentiation, and here differentiation the b and b by a, b cos theta by minus a sin theta minus b by a cot theta. Okay, no? So this is about the parametric differentiation also, but tomorrow I will continue this parametric differentiation. Okay, no? Thank you.